Hi, I am Crystal, a master practitioner in clinical counseling. If you walk away from conversations feeling confused, unheard, or second-guessing yourself, this video is for you, because healthy communication is not just about what you say, it is about how safety, respect, and clarity are created in conversation. Today, we are going to talk about what healthy communication actually is, how to recognize when communication is unhealthy, and how to communicate effectively, whether you are talking to a partner, a friend, a boss, or navigating a difficult conversation. Healthy communication is not about being perfect, calm all the time, or saying things the right way. Healthy communication includes mutual respect, emotional safety, clear expression of needs and boundaries, willingness to listen, not just respond. In healthy communication, both people feel allowed to speak, allowed to have feelings, allowed to disagree without fear. It does not mean there is no conflict. It means conflict is handled with curiosity instead of control. Unhealthy communication often feels subtle at first. Here are some common signs. You feel dismissed, minimized, or talked over. Your feelings are labeled as too sensitive or dramatic. Conversations turn into blame, defensiveness, or shutdown. You leave interactions feeling anxious, guilty, or confused. You avoid bringing things up because it feels unsafe. Another big sign is self-silencing. If you regularly think it is not worth saying anything, that is not healthy communication. Daltikresper and debermisper bemansi witsi nanber fa omotiper fartiker. Idebrestur per self-protection. Healthy communication should not require you to disappear. Healthy communication sounds like, I want to understand your perspective. This is how that landed for me. I need a moment before responding. I can hear you, even if I disagree. It allows space for repair after mistakes, accountability without shame, boundaries without punishment, and most importantly, healthy communication is consistent, not just occasional. With a partner, use I statements and focus on impact, not intention. I feel disconnected when we do not talk about things. I would like us to work on that together. With a friend, clarity is kindness. I value our friendship, and I need to be honest about what I can and cannot offer right now. With a boss or coworker, professional communication can still be healthy. I want to clarify expectations so I can do my best work. In difficult conversations, slow the pace. Pause before responding. You are allowed to say, I need time to think about this. Healthy communication is not about winning. It is about understanding and respect. Here are 3 foundational skills. 1, regulation before conversation. If your nervous system is activated, communication will be reactive. Pause, breathe, ground yourself first. 2, speak from experience, not accusation. Describe what you feel and need rather than what someone did wrong. 3, boundaries are communication. Healthy communication includes knowing when to pause, step back, or end a conversation respectfully. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Healthy communication starts with self-respect. You are allowed to speak clearly. You are allowed to ask for what you need. You are allowed to have conversations that feel safe and grounded. If this video helped you, subscribe to Healing Unfiltered with Crystal for more educational, therapist-informed tools on communication, relationships, anxiety, and emotional healing. And if you know someone who struggles to feel heard, share this with them. Sometimes learning how to communicate changes everything. I will see you in the next video.